let us think beyond our selfish selves, let us think beyond our selfish lives, but together in endeavor we create prosperity for the whole planet.
So welcome to the first session of Upside.life, where we help empower the individuals to live a joyful life. I'm your host, Samvek Thakur.
And I am Sajal Tikaria.
So first of all, a very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us the time and opportunity. So let's introduce yourself to our viewers. She's Sandhya, ma'am, Sandhya Krishnan. She's a founder at Dynamic Living and an ICF certified coach. So in case you don't know what ICF certified is, it's an international coach federation, right? It's a global NGO and there are only 41,500 coaches worldwide. It is in 150 countries, and she's one of them. So first of all, welcome, ma'am. And so how does it feel to be a ICF certified coach? What's your life generally like?
Thank you, guys. It's an honor to be here and be part of the team as well. I will say that being a life coach has been life-changing for me, for starters, क्योंकि हमें भी बहुत coaching undergo जाना पड़ता है. So the kind of blocks that it takes out from your thinking, इतने सारे limiting beliefs होते हैं हमें, just having somebody challenge that with very, very gently, without judgment. That's the other thing I love about it. It's very non-judgmental place. So it's a very safe space. So if I was able to open up and overcome some of my hurdles, of course, it's a work in progress. I hope for it to be a lifelong journey. लेकिन मैं ऐसे जगह, ऐसे space दे सकती हूँ अपने clients को. That is I feel it's my dharma right now. But also that I wanted to reach out to a wider audience as well, perhaps people who are not yet familiar with coaching, who may not be in a position necessarily to afford it. And in that, I wanted to spread the message of wellness, how you can challenge your own thinking, how you can go beyond your own, what you feel is your handicap or mere circumstances, and what is my, mere limitations jo hain, how you can go beyond that. I feel, that's the message I would like to spread.
That's awesome to hear. Sajal, on to you.
Yeah. So since we know it's COVID times and it has been 6 months since the lockdown 1.0 started, and since then a lot has changed in our day-to-day lives. And so, ma'am, how do you think it has affected people mentally? Just wanted to know the mental aspect of this COVID thing.
I think there have been a lot of conversations had about that, and I do see it very, very firsthand from different strata of my clients as well. Adults, teenagers, house help, people who are in lower economic strata, everybody. I think one thing about COVID, which we can all agree on, is that जो भी ऐसा devastation हुआ है mentally हम पे, it's universal. Nobody has escaped from it. And it manifests itself in different ways. Yes, a lot of people are reporting anxiety, panic attacks. Many people are actually reporting stranger symptoms like stomach ailments. Other people are having strange behavior sexually. They suddenly are becoming very predatory, or they feel like, I'm going to, abhi aage jaake pata nahi kya hoga. This is my chance to tell the person that, who I never loved, I loved her. People want to have extramarital affairs. ऐसा कुछ जब risk का situation होता है, we sometimes become little bit almost reckless in our behavior. फिर ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जिन पे इतना ऐसा overtly असर नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन फिर उनको guilt होता है. I'm feeling so guilty that I'm feeling fine. I'm sleeping best for the first time in my life. I'm exercising, I'm eating well. लेकिन मुझे बुरा लगता है कि मुझे anxiety नहीं हो रहा है. तो उसके वजह से guilt होता है. और बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा helplessness भी महसूस होता है कि हम लोग ज्यादा नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अपने सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने वर्ल्ड के लिए, एंड दैट causes that sense of like almost crippling कि मैं इस वर्ल्ड को कैसे सेव करूं. तो अगर ऐसे कुछ लोग मेरे पास आते हैं तो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि हम लोग पूरा दुनिया को सेव नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो एक जन को तो हेल्प करे, then already it is our dharma served, you know. And if each of us thinks that we can help one other person, that's it, the whole world can be saved that way. So we just have to do what we can, and we have to cope the best we can in these unprecedented times in the history of mankind, for that matter.
Yeah. After, I guess, a century, right?
And
almost after a century.
So, what do you think its long-term effects will be? Like, is it going to affect the mankind in long? Definitely going to impact the mankind in a long term. But what mentally we can expect change in our day-to-day lives? Like, we lived very simply like before that, and now what will be the changes?
Ulta Sajal, I'll say that we actually lived far more complicated lives before this. जो भी चीजें हमें लगता था कि इसके बिना मैं जी नहीं पाऊंगा, or whatever, you know, I need this to be happy. We have suddenly realized that we don't actually need a lot of things that we needed was essential. We know is actually non-essential. मुश्किलें तो मेरे ख्याल से अब भी शुरू हो रहे हैं, जो लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट्स हैं हमारे इकोनॉमी और इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर, बहुत सारे लोगों के ऊपर एहसास अभी तक जितना हमने महसूस किया है अभी तक उससे काफी ज्यादा आने वाला है. So I truly feel that unless we are able to awaken within each of us compassion, दया, लेकिन ये सिर्फ दया महसूस होने की दया नहीं है, it is also action oriented daya. That's the true definition of compassion. It must drive us into action. Unless we start becoming more other regarding as a community, as a country, as a world, we cannot help those who have been impacted so much more than us who have like 2 square meals to eat in a day, who still have some money left in the bank, you know.
True.
So, जैसा आपने बताया कि मतलब दया लोगों के मन में जागी है लोगों के लिए. So, what other advantages we can derive from the current situation जो हम अपने lives में आगे apply करेंगे और for betterment of our lives generally.
Two basics. हम लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए, you know, like I said, we need the best of technology. ये phone चाहिए, ये गाड़ी चाहिए. We suddenly realize कि हमें क्या चाहिए? पोषक खाना. We need healthy home food, not necessarily fast food and, you know, something new and triple chocolate, something. Healthy food, good sleep, simple exercise. इतने सारे लोग हैं जो सोचते हैं कि अरे मेरे पास जिम के लिए टाइम नहीं है, ये इसके लिए टाइम नहीं है, नेक्स्ट सेलिब्रिटी जुम्बा क्लास के लिए टाइम नहीं है. We suddenly realize that, my God, with home-based exercises, with just walk, with cycling, we are able to take such good care of our health and wealth therefore. क्योंकि हम लोग पैसे भी इतना बचा रहे हैं. मतलब, you know what I'm saying? So these are the kind of lessons that we need to take going forward. अभी वापस हमारा टेंडेंसी क्या है? accumulate करने के लिए ज्यादा चीजें you know घर में या हमारी जिंदगी में लाने के लिए. If we can control that mindset, we suddenly realize that prosperity जो हम लोग बोलते हैं, prosperity, success is just simple things. Wake up every day, do your work, get your hands dirty, and just take care of yourself, you know, and take care of yourself and take care of whoever else you can.
Yeah.
Then not only are you going ahead, but also when you start thinking about others and the well-being of others, in fact, it takes care of your own health so much. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग, I'll just give you an example. अगर हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि my definition of success is बैंक में 1 करोड़ होना चाहिए, I will just be thinking 1 करोड़ कब आएगा, and in that path 10 things can go wrong in that. You know, today COVID happened, tomorrow markets will be down, कल हमारे industry में कुछ problem हो सकता है, हमारा competitor आ सकता है. Just that one thought is there कि मुझे 1 करोड़ चाहिए, just me and my 1 crore. Whereas if I think that मुझे एक छोटा सा कंपनी शुरू करना है जिससे मैं 10 या 20 लोगों को काम दिला सकती हूँ, या and I can help them also grow together. 10-20 people working towards a common endeavor thinking that, oh, we are all going to become prosperous together, then that becomes your goal, and saying that, oh, I want to create a beautiful product, let us all join hands together. In that, I've seen it with you guys as well, right? The end product may not be exactly what you thought of. What I'm saying, it won't be exactly 1 crore. You're thinking of a product, you're thinking of something that comes together. It may not be that exact 1 crore that I'm talking about. It may not be that exact product, but the difference is that we are all working towards something together. We will be able to pivot. We will be able to reorient as changes come. All the things that hit us, blow with us, we will be able to sway together, and we'll be able to come up with something together at the end of it, right? It's very different. That's what gives us resilience. That's what gives us power, resonance. जो हम लोग सब एक साथ मिलके काम कर रहे हैं, resonance का मतलब है the final product will be so much more than just the mathematical sum of each of our input. That only comes when you have this sort of common endeavor, a bigger vision, also other regarding. And in that, will you get 1 crore? No, you will probably end up getting 10 crore, but that was not the only goal, right? So if we start thinking more like that, I do believe truly we will come out with a new, it's like, हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कलयुग जो भी, hopefully at the end of that, forget what the astrologers say, we can make our own golden age now. It's what is called golden age. Golden age is golden age of consciousness, the awakening of consciousness, awareness. That's nothing but this idea that we have just this one planet. Let us think beyond our selfish selves. Let us think beyond our selfish lives. But together in endeavor, we create prosperity for the whole planet, because we can never create our little pockets of success when everything else around us is burning or suffering. It will impact us 100%, as we are seeing now, right?
Hello everyone. So this was our first video. Make sure to hit the like button, do share it, and subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Please hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Avsar.life. Also, let us know in the comment section below how you felt about it. Till then, take care, stay safe.